The areas that are the brighter red, not the darker red, the brighter red, and actually we've got a new tornado warning that just came into effect.
Looks like Northwest Indiana.
Yeah, he's talking about the eastern sections of Will County, and also Will County is there, it looks like, Bill.
Yes,
and
we're
then
real
we've
close
got,
to Kansas.
It's the same cell.
that same line. So the rotation east of Peatone, and you've been mentioning this, Demetrius, rotation east of Peatone has warranted another tornado warning for that particular thunderstorm. So we're talking about, let's pull up now for you the areas that are impacted by this. We're talking about more people living in these areas, including Cook County, Will County, Illinois, and then Lake County, Indiana. This tornado warning will run until 5 o'clock. So if 426 is your thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Beecher, basically between Beecher and Peatone. We've been showing you that. And it's moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Again, this is Doppler radar indicated. But again, if you've been with us, and Demetrius was showing that in the last half hour, how quickly things have spun up. If we go back now to the radar interpretation, this is the thunderstorm we were talking about, Will County. So, it's getting to be this area here. And let's not forget, Crete, just earlier this afternoon, just after 2 o'clock, already had one tornado over there. Right. So if we start talking about this thunderstorm that is...
to be a tornado producing storm.
Don't make a mess anymore.
What, 10, 11 miles?
We have a special rain warning right now.
I just said don't make a mess anymore.
To northwest Indiana.
Because I'm gonna get mad at you.
Is still quite strong. So if this is a tornado, areas like Crete, once again, it's time to get into your safe spots in the Willowbrook, University Park, even Beecher. Although it's a little bit more than Beecher, it is several times to seek shelter and lowest level of home. There's sturdy structure there away from the windows. Because guys, this is continuing to move through counties. I mean, it may even clip portions of southern Cook County, it looks like.
Yeah, and that was...
Source. Radar indicated impact. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and treat locally hazardous seas. Small crafts will be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
All those areas, it's interesting to note that the temperatures and dew points, we've got incredibly explosive atmosphere here with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. The sun popped out this afternoon just to give these storms a little extra boost, and dew points at Gulf Coast levels in the low to mid 70s. So there's really nothing that's stopping these storms from continuing to strengthen here. And I think, as evidence we've seen the south. That's continued to track northeast and showed little sign of weakening.
Yeah, and actually, I would say
that the flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.
It's
Hi.
Ground at this point, but you can see the hook, the little notch right there in the radar imagery. That's where the rotation is at its tightest, right in the middle of the red box, and it's lifting off to the north and to the east.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Limestone or near Herscher, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Limestone around 4:45 p.m., Kankakee around 4:55 p.m., Bourbonnais and Bradley around 5 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Matino and Grand Park. This includes Olivet Nazarene University, including the following interstate: Interstate 57 between mile markers 314 and 325. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Just got a new tornado warning issued down here for Kankakee County. Let me go down to that because I can see.
This is NOAA's